The project I plan on working on is from the Blacksmiths Journal, August 1996. It's a door chime. I need a 3.5-inch radius jig to do this scroll. So let's check this one out. So what we got here, see this one here fits into your anvil. Pegs, you do different radiuses by these jigs I'm pulling out here now. That one's too big. Too small. Okay, let's see what we got here. 2.5, almost there. 3, we're getting closer. So you gotta have something at the bottom of the box here. Let's see what we got here. 4. So no, this one won't work. Let's put it all back. I have other options. So let's put this one away. Grab the other. Set my dad made. This one goes in the vise. You can adjust it by where you put it in the vise jaws, and you can scroll around whatever size you need. So let's see what we have here. Maybe this one, 4.5. Nope, that won't work. What's this one? 3.5. Ooh, we're perfect. That's what we need. You can see here, these edges here are radius. You can also use these for making dishes, ladles, spoons, whatever's. It's always nice to have a multi-purpose tool. So we'll use these. I need to have a 5.5-inch tall with a 3.5-inch radius. And here's a whole bunch of hooky wooky math. I want to find where I need to drill some holes here on that radius. So 3.5-inch times pi, which will give me the circumference. Divide that by 2 will give me the diameter and where I need to drill these 2 holes. But I also want to know where from the center mark is. So we're going to do 5.5-inch apart, and it's going to be 2 3/4 inch from the center. Is where I need to drill those 2 holes. So we got these marked here. What's sad is this is the first time I've used my anvil, and it wasn't even for banging on hot steel. Anyway, let's get going. Number 13 forge. Let's do a nice bend. See what happens. Got that pin a little bit closer so I can use it for leverage. But hey, tongue and hammer, we got this. Just bend that around real nice like.